The Starlight series by TCP is a family of LED lamps built to deliver instant energy savings in commercial, industrial, retail, and residential applications. Starlight LED lamps are 85% more efficient than standard halogen or incandescent substitutes and boast a long operating life, up to 30,000 hours. More than just an energy-saving, cost-cutting lighting solution, Starlight LEDs also ship with modern features, like user-controlled dimming, a sleek, fit-in-anywhere design, and UL approval for outdoor use. Choose from 3 color temperatures, 3000, 4000, and 5000 K, 4 sizes, and 5 LED watt ratings. The largest lamps are 22 or 25 watts, equivalent to 160 or 200 watt standard light bulbs. And the smallest lamps are 9 watts, a 65 watt equivalent. To learn more about TCP, Starlight LEDs, and other lighting solutions, visit galco.com.